तो again ding hi le minimum deviation dena kha angle of deviation kha kizilin chin to kha bang chile kha yai angle of deviation pen kha minimum hi thei di ma bang chi hun cha kha angle of deviation pen kha minimum hi thei di bai kha delta m ki chi ma bai kha condition di kha bang condition kha yai I equal to E hi di ma number 1 kha number 2 kha R1 equal to R2 yai I E chi khong kha figure kha de la mai so sai man so nom ton kho ke dinga yai ti gel hong an zui cha kha angle of deviation pe kha minimum hi chi tan again dinga I sao approve te kha hi su nom ton ke dinga abana hai division pen kha dm ang ita hi chi hun chang kha I equal to E R1 equal to R2 hi chi kha thei di ma I the isa bang kha D plus A equal to I plus E hi ma he pen kha formula ai le hoi zo che khai thei di khat kha a kha banga le a kha R1 plus R2 hi ma hoi khai thei di hoi zo che khai hi when division pen kha minimum deviation ang hi cha kha I equal to E hi he pen kha minimum deviation ang hi ma minimum deviation ang hi ai la chu when R1 equal to R2 le jo R1 equal to R2 है R चले मा ये काय थे ये ले है अपन सिंतले D पेन खा minimum deviation ng sokta A ji खा R1 plus R2 engine A खा R1 plus R2 engine why kha minimum deviation hai chu R1 equal to R2 equal to R plus R kha 2R hai why is it 2R only di kha I plus E chu I plus I le the 2I ma kha 2I le ko the 2I or dm plus 2R by 2 equal to I angle of incidence ka hi ma or hai bang yu lakha dm plus 2R ji kha a ma nahi ve ze ma a ai ko nam le khai cha ko the by 2 equal to angle of in terms of minimum deviation ka angle of incidence ka I equal to dm minimum deviation plus angle of prism divided by 2 why is it kha R1 plus R2 kha banga a ki R1 equal to R2 cha kha that is 2R equal to A, therefore R equal to A by 2 no I le Snell's law kha by N1 sin I equal to N2 sin R ai le prism here bang le kha light ray hello cho pai cho ai le n1 chi kha ye air medium ni ngai to le he surface ba kha n1 kha n1 is equal 1 hi mo y is equal to sin I equal to n2 is equal refractive index of the prism engine n is equal sin r I le n khabang idi sin I by sin r y to n equal to I ji khabang sin I ji kha bezang le ma a plus 2 hong idia y ji kha sin r kha a by 2 sin a by 2 hong a kha a refractive index of the material of prism in terms of angle of prism and minimum deviation ma minimum deviation happen na jong khek thi nam le kha hak salo di angle of prism khong chu a prism a pal le thei lan mo hoi jaga hi kha ta ka chit de ding hi ta na hi kha chit ding abana problem bang ve ya men le ma problem bang ve ya men suk le a question din kha such that angle of incidence is equal to angle of immersion. Equal ma. If immersion is equal to 3 by 4a, calculate the angle of deviation calculate dm when a equal to angle of prism cut 30 degree jeve hete kha ya thunga nang ki gela hi ai saw ka gal pe lo je ka kha atom thei a mathematical expression akon ka khia ka hi ma I equal to e equal to bang 3 by 4 a equal to 3 by 4 a khabang 30 degree ma ede khabang 90 degree by 8 ni ai le calculate angle of deviation minimum chil ma d jang di delta jang di ai le kha delta equal to I plus e minus a hi I plus e kha I equal to e y pen kha e 2 I is equal kha minus a ma 2 into I is kha bang I equal to e kha 4 hi ma 90 by 4 minus a kha 30 degree equal to 45 minus 30 degree equal to 15 degree ma likha angle of deviation hi an ba na ilu chung non dinga a thin prism of 2 degree angle gives a deviation of 1 degree ma what is the value of refractive index of the material of the prism what is the value of refractive index of the material of prism. Eka zong di ma. He zong de kisa I. Ai le I. Bang ba ki pia. Thin prism an chigel khalin chin. Thin prism kha I isa ma. I delta kha n minus 1 a kha thin prism ke zat che hai zat di a thin prism of 2 degree angle a kha 2 degree deviation kha delta kha 1 degree why ai le kha delta kha 1 equal to n minus 1 a kha bang a kha 2 ma that means 1 by 2 equal to n minus 1 0.5 plus 1 equal to n therefore n equal to 1.5 no a refractive index of 1.5 hidi da ne ve ai le e ba na khat khong hi lai le mo calculation khat khong hi lai dinga equation di ko kan dinga equation kha calculate the refractive index of the material of an equilateral prism for which angle of minimum deviation is angle of deviation is 60 degree ma isong di kha I n here n kha zong di ai le I minimum deviation lang ki pia minimum deviation to kha I to kha prism kha formula ni sa te kha delta plus a equal to I plus e hoi cha kha I delta equal to a n minus 1 ma hoi cha kha refractive index equal to sin a plus delta m by 2 sin a by 2 ve ai le koi pen chat thei di ai ama se pen chat som le cha kai thei mo lo di bang zia he bang le minimum deviation ki je kha minimum deviation am lo ma he kai thei lo sa he pen a chu I calculate di kha n kha I jong le ve hi le dang ta ki pya ya a deviation minimum deviation angle of minimum deviation poi mo he kha 60 dm minimum deviation chi da na chu he za thelo he kha minimum deviation a di lo minimum deviation na ong kha sum ka hi ai he pen khang ki pia hoi cha kha equilateral prism le a kha 60 degree di mo equilateral triangle kha angle teng kha 60 hoi to ki bang hoi cha kha dm kha hoi le kha bang za 60 degree mai cha refractive index zong di lekha sin a kha 60 degree plus 60 degree by 2 by sin 60 degree by 2 ai le yai 60 plus 60 120 by 2 kha 60 degree ma ni ma kha sin 30 degree sin 60 degree kha bang za sin 60 kha root 3 by 2 here sin 30 kha 1 by 2 mo he to consider root 3 kha 1.732 value he kha I refractive index hai abana ilut no dinga I hoi chu dispersion of light through prism ma aba na hi non ding dispersion of light topic ha of light prism hey kha dispersion of light bang chi na hi chi kha en sung mas li ma tun kha yi prism khati draw dinga prism hi ma ai le i ha white light khadang lu de white light ji cha khan ni sang ki pan thang la white light ma ai e ha normal chi dinga ha cha kha he surface sam lo le chu cha pai so ngai di da ni light pin ma the surface refraction hom je ka kha e la ka hong ben di ma he kha white light is kha white light te kha light che tam pi ki gong khom ma he kha white light is kha che tam pi ki gong khom V I B Z Y O R heading ki gong khom eve khan ni thum li nga buksagi violet indigo blue green yellow orange red heading hi ma heading ki gong khom chin white kha i hepen kha polychromatic light like chi bang jakin ye violet ta kha echanin color ton to me ve heten he wavelength ta kha he ya ki bang lo mo a wavelength ki bang lo ve ke light te kha wavelength ki bang lo i hoi jaka kha i wavelength ki bang lo na na chu he kha refraction om thei da lang ki bang no ta lo mo i hoi jaka kha hen kha wavelength tom de te kha i violet chini wavelength of violet is less than wavelength of red a wavelength tom de te kha i dispersion hat de ma dispersion hat de hi dispersion hat de achang kha hi hey light te kha hey prism on to thak chung hong ki hen dar taw he pa thong ki hen dar taw ma hong ki hen dar taw chung ki hen dar u chu ye lam kha i violet te hom di red te hom kara kha he te hom do violet kha a wavelength tomin chin hoi ja ki disperse pa red te hom bang chu a wavelength sound chin dispersion kha to ma red bang kha i danger signal dikho bang ja ki jang chu kha he red ji kha a wavelength longer wavelength sound chin ki disperse pa lo ki hen za pa lo hoi jaga kha i red kha mun gam la pia pat le ki mu thei ve red ji te khong kha mun gam la pia pat ki mu thei bang jakin a wavelength sound hoi jaga dispersion to me ve ki the za lo mo ye violet ji te ha ki the za pa gam la pia pat mu thei lo mo elle jin kha i reta de kha division kha i ye theta r chini he de kha division kha i theta violet chini elle jin kha theta r is smaller than theta violet that means a dispersion a deviation pe kha tom ja tham red mo ไว้ค่ะจะเตะดีไว้จะ dispersion of light ที่จะค่ะ white light เป็นค่ะ a constituent color เฮ้ยตึงเอาที่เห็นจากจะค่ะไว้เป็นค่ะ dispersion of light ที่จะเห็นว่า definition ค่ะเกิดตัวเราดีเลยบางอย่าง dispersion of light เมื่อ dispersion of light ค่ะ dispersion of light ค่ะจะเตะไม่ดีเห็นมั้ยนั่นเลยค่ะthen again sama bangค่ะ wavelength of red much greater than wavelength of violet ki cheve hey khalai gal le kha yang hi a hi le kha a wavelength asaw le kha a refractive index di kha refractive index of red is less than refractive index of violet thong hi zel ma a wavelength asaw le kha refractive index tom di why in a hi je kha delam again kha deviation kha bang n minus 1 h ai le kha division of red light kha n red light minus 1 by a hidden chin division of violet is kha n violet minus 1 by a hege compare mo le he to energy kha red kha tom zo hoi za kha he pin sang kha he pin tam zo mo hoi za kha division of red is less than division of violet mo he pin kha de lama kha I derive sa hoi za kha division of red is less than division of violet kichi hoi za kha he dispersion of light sa sao hi lo di he tan khanga zo suk so mi I thei di chu he a karla ka te kha white light is kha constituent color tan kha he ten hi a karla ka ten kha karla ka ten kian lo ni he lama left lama khat right lama khat extreme left to extreme right ate right ate nge le kha atang ten kha kara ten kha ki thei mai mo hoi ja ka kha ave ka vet ngai lo he to he bang compare si ngai lo a second sen de kha ki thei mai de mo hoi hey scattering of light bang de kha application kha blue color of the sky he te zanga kha explain the vec b kha red is at sunrise and sunset why is it kha tam pioma si tan kun gel li hoi kha then a danger signal ite honglei gela mo danger signal ji honglei gela again le again hin dai solo chicken gen be lai dinga kha dispersion of light disperse ki khenza ai ke scattering of light ma scattering of light dispersion is the high prism in kha light te kha white light a constituent color a khon khen sang na pen kha dispersion of light a ki scattering is the high hui khwa khong atom khongom eke molecules te khom white ten kha nia ki pan light hong pai pin kha white light from the sun no white kha white ten kha hui khwa atom molecule te khon tot khak cheng kha amau le kha hong ki hen zak sam mo why pen kha scattering of light ki chile changin kha nia pat kha light hong pai hui khwa kha I atoms molecules ti tam pio mai ve alian do aneu do bang hetin kha light hong pai pen kha disperse in all direction to kha disperse why light hong ki scatter pen kha intensity of light is directly proportional 1 by lambda to the 4th power lambda 4 no yay kan ka chepte to ma mo ai le bang je ka yai cha on explain di adang te kha on explain lo di ka hi ai le I bang je ka van du ma hi mo bang je ka van du ma hi kha he kha gen zol de ni sa pat kha sana pat kha white light hang ki pani white light sun khan pe hian chin hilale kha hi hui kho atmosphere kha atoms te khom molecules te khom anam white ten kha den again bang kha scattering of light mo white light pen kha white light he teng ki gom khom hang pai chu why la kha a wavelength ki bang loi chang kha ana khen za ku ana scatter mo ana scatter unchin a ki scatter theidan ki bang hello ve hi violet indigo blue green yellow orange red ti kha red lam te kha wavelength sa unchin hui khwa molecules ten khen za khak sa scatter hak sa ilale hi a hela ma te kha wavelength to mai changa ki scatter pa pa unchin hoi jaka ka hui khwa hong tung cha ki scatter kai atmosphere ki scatter unchin hoi cha kha van lai zo la mo van lai zo ki scatter unchin ji changa kha violet bang kha blue sa ki scatter nak zo indigo le hilele kha he te kha imita de sensitive lo hoi jaka kha imiti ni mu thei pen kha blue e cho hoi jaka van pen kha blue mo van pen kha blue hi hoi jaka kha sana pat white light hong pai pen kha van lai zo hong tung chana ki scatter engine a ki scatter kha wavelength tom te kha ki ha scatter dia ku why kha violet ki scatter nak pen hoi zo indigo hoi zo blue hilele kha violet to indigo pen kha imitin chang ta ka mu thei lo imita de sensitive lo hoi jaka blue pen kha ki mu thei chin hoi jaka van pen kha blue da na ki mo danger signal red pen kha danger signal de ki zat ja kha den gen zo ta gen non ki de he te khana theina bul kha bukam ta ka sim the hi to kha dispersion of light scattering of light pen kha eta na zo so mi hi ma thei chet to sanga thu za thei he te kha thei nom ten kha hoi ta ka sim di he chet pen bang kha class 10 alem ma class 10 alem he maybe te bang je kang atang piang wa hi chi khong khana theina bula buka sim ma buka ma hi